Hello and welcome to Golden Earth Studios. This is just a quick bug fix on how to fix this. You may have noticed that sometimes it doesn't finish the animation, even though it plays the finished sound and drops the loot. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So if you go into the building BP and go to Event Interact, after the sequence and after the running, this is the part that's messing it up. So what we want to do is just delete this part, and we can delete amount from the variables. We don't need that anymore. And then what we want to do is drag off a building, type in time, and get animation time. And then we want to print string and just plug that into there. Don't plug this into this yet, so we're going to click play and walk up to it and then interact, and you can see that the numbers are going up, and you just want to go until it turns into this. So that's 1.57. I'm going to go a little bit up, so it's 1.57. I'm going to do 1.6, and then we can delete this, get the time animation, put that in the top, and then plug that in like that. So now if I click play, you can see it finishes. And if it's still not finishing, like if you were to do 1.5, maybe that's the time you got, you can see it's not finishing all the way. The higher frame rate you go, like 60 or 180 frames per second, more likely it's to do this. So just go a little bit over, so 1.6, and you might need to go a little bit more higher than 1.6 if you try 180 frames per second. And maybe it's not finishing all the way. But this is much more efficient and works all the time, unlike the other way. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.